For the most part, all of that was the key details of what happened in 1995, other than, of course, later 2 bandidos were arrested for carrying out the drive-by shooting. Now, going back to the First War in Denmark,
weird little thing. Willie Nelson for president. Wow. And that guy just screwed up. Computer, and I will touch it.
This up in editing. There we go. Also, the game's a little dark. We'll talk more about that.
What the fuck are y'all doing?
Your damage is about the same as my gun. Except...
You guys just get nut. Take this jar. What? That's not how you do a U-turn in a roundabout.
Absolute guarantee. Cosmetic items will be in the shop.
Nobody has bothered to move that.
This is a Sierra case, so of
back
course
here.
they're going to kill you a few times playing this.
Good
And
fucking God. Sorry, what?
Manual recording will now start.
Sure. I have to say that for my playthrough, I do enjoy the setup a lot more than if I were to go down the dark side. Because if I were, then and listen to the largest selection of audiobooks. We're talking podcasts and new book releases. We're talking language learning and motivation.
Actually, no, I need to be in there. Okay, if you're gonna give it to me.